Hello and welcome to the Business Analytics with Excel course offered by SimplyLearn. This video will give you an overview about the importance of analytics in business today, why it is in demand among a lot of organizations, and how you can effectively leverage Microsoft Excel for data analytics.
Duplicate refers to a copy of the original. So, in order to prevent errors, we have to remove duplicates. In any data analytics work, there will always be cases where we would get duplicates in different columns. Excel is very handy in removing duplicates in the data. Duplicates can occur in data and cause errors in analytics. Duplicates occur when there is an incorrect submission of user data multiple times. When there is a missing validation for duplication in the dataset. Duplicates occur when we merge multiple data sources using joins. And also when data is copy-pasted multiple times. When duplicates are removed using Excel, we can choose a single column or multiple columns to check the data. Let us consider an example to understand it. Choose the column with a set of rows to remove duplicates. Here, you can see that there are many duplicates in this column. Let us select the entire column. After selecting it, click on Data, then move your cursor to the rightmost side of the data panel, and then click on Remove Duplicates. After selecting this option, a pop-up will appear. Since the required column is selected, all you have to do is select OK and proceed. Finally, you can see that all the duplicates are removed. Let us consider the following dataset as an example for removing duplicates with multiple columns. Here, there are two entries for math subject under the same name Albert Dane. When removing duplicates for this, only the first row is retained. Let us choose the data to remove duplicates. Now, click on Remove Duplicates from the Data tab. The pop-up will occur to remove duplicates. Now, choose the columns where duplicates need to be checked. Once it is checked, click on OK. Another pop-up will appear which notifies that one duplicate value was found and removed. Also 3 unique values remain. This will be the final dataset.